Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this amazing eye cream that I've been using. This has brightened up my skin so much. It is Kopari and it is niacinamide and caffeine. So this is meant to brighten up those dark circles that you're going to get under your eyes sometimes. If they're puffy, if you're looking tired, this is something that's nice. I usually wash my skin first and then I put this eye cream right after my face cream. You literally just have to put a tiny bit, dab it under your eyes, and you're always gentle when you're putting any kind of creams or anything under your eyes because this is very delicate skin. I noticed such a huge difference, especially I don't have to put anything to take away those dark circles under my eyes when I'm putting my makeup on. It looks so much brighter, fresher. It even helps with wrinkles because you have the caffeine in here. It's really great for your skin. So I absolutely love using this in my daily routine. I like that I don't look as tired anymore, and that's just my point of view.